Now Google Bard has changed to Google Gemini. And in this video, let's explore the top 8 AI features, including accessing Gmail into creating high-quality images using Gemini. First, begin with a quick sign-in process. Open your browser and type Google Gemini into the search bar. If you're already signed in, enable Try Gemini, otherwise, you will see the sign-in option. Enter your email and corresponding password to proceed. Now, click on this drop-down menu. It offers two versions. The first one is Gemini, and the second one is Gemini Advanced. For Gemini Advanced, you need to pay a fee. If you comment Gemini Advanced in the comments, I will guide you on how to use Gemini Pro for free in the next video. Okay, let's test Gemini. Click Chat with Gemini. Before chatting, we must enable some features. Go to Settings, enable Dark Theme and Real-Time Responses. Now, we can access everything from Gmail to Google Drive directly within Google Gemini itself. Let's try accessing them one by one. Before that, go to Settings again, click on Extensions, and enable all the features for use in Gemini Chat. Let's check with the @ symbol to access the features in chat. Now we can access everything from Gmail to YouTube within the Gemini. So, let's try with Google Mail first. Start with the @ symbol and select Gmail from the options. Then, type Get an email related to topic and click Submit. It will collect all the emails related to your topic within seconds, providing the entire context including the time of receipt. By scrolling down, you will find the actual email listed below. Clicking on it will redirect you to the corresponding email in your Gmail account. Let's access Google Docs. Click on the new chat to initiate a fresh conversation. Proceed by typing at and selecting Google Docs. Type Get the document related to your topic and click Submit. It will retrieve the exact document based on your topic from your Google Docs, and you'll be able to review it by clicking on it. Next, proceed with Google Drive. Click on the new chat and type the @ symbol, then select Google Drive. Type Get all the documents in Google Drive and click Submit. It will assemble all the documents from your Google Drive and chat. Next, analyze the picture. Take a screenshot of any picture and paste it into the chat. If you're using a mobile device, upload the picture using the Upload option. Then, type a description and analyze the picture. It will provide exact results. Based on these results, it indicates that coffee has the highest percentage. Let's match it with the picture. Yes, it's correct, coffee has a high percentage. Suppose if you request data in table format, it will be generated automatically, and you can export this data to a spreadsheet and store the results for your reference. Let's move on to generating an image. Click New Chat and start typing from your imagination to create an image. Remember to include the keyword Create an image before your text. Once you're done, click Submit to get the image results. Now you can download or click Regenerate to get another set of images. Now let's learn how to access the PDF files in Gemini. Click New Chat and copy and paste the website link of the PDF file. After the link, provide a keyword, such as Analyze, and give a clear and concise explanation about this PDF. Then click Submit. It will analyze and provide a precise result. Now let's move on to the YouTube video part. Click on New Chat and type @ then choose YouTube. Now let's go to our official YouTube channel for the video link. Let's pick a popular video, copy the link, and paste it here. Now, ask questions like, analyze this video and tell us who the target audience is. What insights can be gained from user behavior? Why did this particular video perform so well, and why is the engagement rate so high? Once done, click Submit. It will give A to Z entire results about the video. If the YouTube video is very lengthy and you want a concise summary, simply paste the link, type the keyword Analyze, and click Submit to receive a brief overview. Now let's discuss Google Bard-friendly features. Click on New Chat and select one of the suggestions listed above. I'm selecting the third one. Now modify the sentence in the highlighted part and click Submit. It will provide the entire results based on your request. You don't need to type the entire question or request, it will provide default suggestions for you to use. You can even clear doubts in program coding or any other topics using this feature. Click the G symbol to double-check the results, then click the Share option to share the entire chat with a changed headline. Utilize the Generate More option to get additional results or create a public link to share on social media accounts. Use the microphone instead of typing everything in chat to save time, and click on the audio to hear everything about your result. Finally, pin your important chat and rename your chat name. I hope I covered all the features of Google Gemini. If you like it, don't forget to comment and subscribe. Thank you.